So it's been a little bit since I made a long-term stock portfolio update, but here it is here. So I have not put any money in here since the last time we updated many months ago. You know, this is all just the money that I put in, what it's doing. It's just getting dividends and everything. So if we look, the amount of cash I actually put in this account was $1,500. I have gained practically $1,000. It says I've gained over 1,000. I don't know how, I guess it calculates it based on the market gain and the dividend gain. So I've earned $55 in dividends, which is quite amazing. That's over, let's see when I started this. So I started this in June of 2019. So it's been, you know, a little over two years now. And I have put extra money in. Like right here, there was a big spike here. That's when I put money in. When the stock market crashed, I put some money in as it went. And then I put some money in somewhere else over, maybe like right here. So maybe I have put in money since we last talked about it. I don't remember. I don't remember, to be honest with you, but I've gained that much in dividends, and this is my market gain, how much, you know, just in the investments that I have, it has gone up. And overall, that's 94%. So that's almost double, which is quite amazing. So here's my portfolio. Here's the various stocks that I have. Very good companies that, you know, I'm invested in for the most part. Most of them will be paying dividends. Some don't. Beyond Meat does not. Tesla does not, Google does not, Amazon does not, but I don't have too much money in them. You know, it's just a little bit, because I'm mostly going to go after the ones that have dividend, and that's why I kind of created this own kind of portfolio here. It has various companies that pay pretty good in a dividend here. So as you can see, there's various companies within here that pay good dividend. Now, they did change it here, so this is my cash balance. This is money that's not invested. It used to be $10 it would automatically invest. Now it's $25. So I'm just letting the dividends just increase this to $25, and it'll be automatically reinvested. So yeah, really cool. Now, if you wish to get this is M1 Finance. Here is, we can get 50, give 50, get 50. So if you use this link, and I will post this link in the description of this video, it says invite your friends, use the link below or share a pie. When they sign up and fund their account, you both get cash to invest. So if you use the link and you sign up, you don't have an account yet, and you fund your account, you need to fund your account with $100 at the minimum, then you will get $50, and I will get $50 as well, and that'll go into your cash balance, which will allow you to go through here. Now, this is a pretty easy platform to use. It's not like you have to look at all these charts and all this sort of stuff. No, you really don't have to do that. It's basically you sign up, and basically what I picked out, you know, this pie right here to actually use. You know, I'm saying, okay, I'll use this pie here, the moderately aggressive one. As you can see, it's very good. So I chose that, and then it was asking me like, what other companies would you like to invest in? So I was like, you know, Apple, Microsoft, you know, and then I started adding some of these other ones, and it was suggesting them to me. So it's very easy. If you don't know anything about the stock market or investing, this makes it extremely easy, and this is for long term. Okay, so think, you know, when you're retiring, they do have retirement accounts, but you have to fund it, I think, with like $500. So if that's what you want to do, by all means do that. Use my link and you get $50 still. So those gains are quite impressive, aren't they? It really is. So yeah, it's just so interesting, because, you know, that's how I pretty much started the whole stock market thing. It was just, I'm just going to put some money in here for long-term growth, and it's grown exponentially since then. I mean, I could essentially sell it all right now and be practically double of my money. Now, of course, there's capital gains tax, but because it's not that much money, I don't know how much it'll end up being, to be honest with you. I don't know. You know, it's not like I'm taking out $25,000. It's literally $2,500 practically, you know, but I've only put in $1,500. So what did I tell you? Now, interesting enough, even though those gains are really good, it's not as good as some of the crypto gains that I've gained, but it is still very good. And, you know, it's different. Like, crypto is not for everyone. Crypto is much harder to get into. There are much more fees involved with that. It's not as simple as this. This makes it nice and simple, and I like that for long-term investing. I really do. You just put money in there, it does its thing. It distributes it among the companies that you choose. You don't even have to choose, you know, oh, I want to buy some of this, I want to buy some of that. You could do that. Could you? I don't know, but it's mostly based on percentages. You know, it's not like if you've ever used Robinhood, it's not like that either. Like Robinhood doesn't have like a pie where you create percentages. This essentially, you create a pie that has to equal up to 100%. It's like, okay, I'm going to put 20% into Apple, 20% into Microsoft. That leaves you with 60% you can put into other stuff. You know what I mean? It is percentage based. So if you put in $100, 20% of that will be going to Apple, 20% of that will be going to Microsoft, and so on. So very, very easy to use. Now I know many people have actually, you know, signed up using the link that I had there. So they actually increased it. Like back then it was like $10. Now it's $50. I don't know how long that's going to last. So if you're really interested in it and you want to do it, get on top of it now, because I don't know how long $50 lasts. You know, they're always changing these promotions around. So $50 is really good. It really is. So that's practically, if you fund your account with $100, that you're practically gaining half of that after, you know, I think it takes maybe like 30 days or something after your deposit or something. I forget the exact terms, but there are terms involved with that, obviously. But as long as you put in $100 and you keep it in there until you get to $50, then it'll be all good. And then I will get that as well. So you're helping me also, you know, help boost my portfolio as well. So that was it for today. Let me know what your thoughts are on the stock market stuff, and you all take care. Have a great one, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.